is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today is WIP Caddy Wednesday, one of my favorite videos of the entire week because I get to showcase what you guys are working on your crochet projects, and some of you have a few knitted items on there, which is just fun. I tell you what. Grab you a cup of coffee. I am drinking out of this beautiful love cup. Isn't this just beautiful? This is from my daughter, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer. Love you. I am drinking hazelnut coffee this morning. So grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just watch some good old yarny crochet talk. This cup is red on the inside too. Isn't that cool? Anyway, once again, thank you, Jennifer. I love this mug. All right, so I tell you what, let's just go ahead and get started and go right into the video and see what you guys are working on, and then I will show you what I am up to. Okay, guys, now we have Tammy's cart. Let's see, she says the top shelf is a Christmas mouse from an old leisure arts book. The second shelf is your simple summer cardigan. Thank you so much for making that, Tammy. She says that you can kind of see her scrap corner-to-corner blanket poking out. In the bottom shelf is a scrap yarn granny square afghan that needs 3 squares and a border. And it is beautiful. I love all those colors that you chose. And thank you so much for sharing with us, Tammy. Now here we have Christine's cart, and oh my gosh, the bunny sitting on there and the little owl, just too cute, Christine. Let's see, she says the top shelf are owls that she made for Christmas gifts. On the hook right now is a bunny girl, red and cream yarn underneath, and for the blue one sitting there, love those dangling legs. Yes, I love the dangling legs. And behind him is a half circle shawl. The second shelf left is going to be another wheelchair blanket for her mother in the nursing home. Nothing interesting on the bottom, just crochet books. The Caron latte cakes on the right side she got for Christmas. Well, that was a wonderful Christmas gift, Christine. Everything looks beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing and inspiring us. Okay, so now we have Rosero's cart, and Rosero, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. If I'm not, I apologize. Let's see, she says on her second shelf she's working on her first temperature sample blanket, and it is a crochet along with Tiffany Hansen. And then she says on the bottom shelf she has a basket that she's working on with impeccable yarn from Michaels, which is my pattern. Oh, cool. And I love that impeccable yarn, by the way. I made 2 sweaters with that yarn, so it's pretty warm though. Just remember that yarn, when you crochet with it, it's going to be pretty warm. Let's see. She made an infinity scarf, which is my pattern, made from Line Brand Heartland yarn. Let's see. The top shelf just has her must-needed supplies. Your cart is so clean and organized. I'm just like jealous. Rosero happens to be a new crocheter, and that she just started March of 2020. And so I just want to say you're doing a wonderful job. And thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, so now we have Julie's cart. Julie says that the top shelf has a sloth hanging planner that she made for a friend. It also has the soft moss stitch blanket. The middle shelf has the knitted temperature blanket for February, and the bottom shelf has more yarn for the knitted temperature blanket and a stepping block shawl. And on the floor is the crochet temperature scarf and a blanket that she's in the process of making a video tutorial. Julie, everything looks wonderful. I especially love the basket hanging on the side and the sloth. It is just adorable, like super adorable. And thank you so much, Julie, for sharing this with everyone. And Julie does have a YouTube channel, so go check out her YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. Now here we have Rebecca's cart. The top has 3 slippers, 1 infinity scarf with my pattern, 1 frisbee, 1 cup cozy, and 3 warmies, 2 Mobius, a candy kiss, and a cat, and a shelt. Wow, that is really cool. And the colors that you have chosen for all that, it's just beautiful. Let's see, the second shelf, she's working on 2 cup cozies, 2 Mobius fidgets, and a snake. Which reminds me, I really need to make a snake. So if any of you guys know where a really good snake pattern is, it's not really big, snake pattern, let me know on my Facebook group page. I would really appreciate that. Let's see, the bottom shelf is yarn to make more slippers and water balloons. Everything is gorgeous, and I need to learn to make the water balloons. I don't quite understand how that works. So if you got any links for that as well, I would like to make my grandson some water balloons. So yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Rebecca. See, you have inspired me tremendously. Thank you for sharing. So now we have Patsy's cart. Patsy says it is time to start sewing the blanket together. Yes, it's time, isn't it, Patsy? She says the top shelf, burgundy squares and red squares. The middle shelf, black squares, and also yarn for the sewing and border. The bottom shelf is the Mary Maxim kit for February. And she says, happy crocheting, everyone. Well, happy crocheting to you, Patsy, and have fun with all those squares. They are gorgeous. Now here we have Cheryl's cart. And wow, Cheryl, you have piled that up. It looks like one of my areas, actually. So I can laugh about it because I'm in the same boat. Okay, she said that her WIP Caddy is filled with projects and all of her kitchen cotton yarn and baby stuff mainly. Wow. Yeah, you've got a lot going on, Cheryl. Thank you for sharing with us. Okay, weren't they just cool? Thank you guys for submitting your photos and inspiring the crochet world. Thank you so much for that. You have some wonderful projects. You guys are so talented. Okay, I did get my Crochet World magazine in. I thought I'd show that to you guys. Here we go. But here it is. Cool looking purse. There is something in here that I would like to do, and it's a scrap buster project. And I thought, yeah, I think I could do that. It looks nice and easy. Here we go. It's these little turtles, little granny square turtles. I thought, yeah, I can make up a bunch of those. Have fun with that. But yeah, this one is the April issue. And I will show you what's in the book. There's all the projects right there. If I can get that in there good. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So if you haven't picked up the April issue, I don't know if it's on the newsstand or not. I just received mine in the mail, so I'm not really sure. The issue that my pattern is in, this one right here, the February, it may still be on the newsstand right now. So, all right. The other thing is the purses. Don't forget, I released it yesterday, the pattern. So be sure and look out for that. And then I released this pattern. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. I think it might have been Monday. But anyway, so this pattern is out if you're interested. And we had the giveaway. Monica, thank you, or congratulations, Monica. She won this bag of goodies, and here's her goodies. She has contacted me. That was for the Valentine Crochet Along giveaway. You guys did amazing jobs on those baskets. Oh my gosh. If you have not seen that video, it's not just announcing the winner. It is a slideshow of all the baskets. So if you need to be inspired on your baskets, go there. And I'd like to say thank you to John and Sue in my Facebook group page. They made a post of saying that, hey, why don't you do a crochet along where it's a basket a month, kind of like I did the hand towels. And so, yeah, let's do that. Let's do a basket crochet along and just make at least one basket a month. By the time Christmas gets here, you will have a ton of baskets to give away, or you can even use them, storage in your home, and which, I need that. So I'm probably going to make some storage for my home because I need some small ones like for my bathroom and maybe some medium size for my closet. And then I would like a few bigger size in here for my crochet projects. So, yeah, let's do a basket crochet along. Okay, let's see. What else do I have for you guys? I'm looking over here. Oh yeah, if you didn't see, that was my basket for my Valentine crochet along. That's the one that I did. All right, so what I'm up to here is my piglet outfit that I'm working on for the dolls. And here is what I've gotten done so far. And I told you guys that I will always change things up. Now, this is not a one piece. A lot of times I make it a one piece, but this is a top with a pair of shorts. So I'm making it two piece. Normally this type of outfit, I would make a one piece. Yeah, But you see, I've already made a change. I've made a cuff to match the top that is not in my drawing. So as I get to making these things, I do change things up as I go. Now it will have there's a button loop. It will have a button on this side. So, because I've been getting a few, I guess, messages on Etsy asking about, does the back side open up? And so, yeah, so I thought I'd go ahead and show that in the video, that yes, it does open up. So I am working on this second leg today, and the suspenders, and then the hat, and then, of course, the summer shoes. So, yeah, I'm excited about this little piglet. I don't know. I've been wanting to do it for like forever. So the other outfit that I have drawn out is that one right there. So I'm looking forward to doing that one. And this next one, I don't have colored yet, but it's that one right there. Anyway, yeah, I've got a lot of ideas for my little doll outfits. Just really get to going. Oh yeah, here's my pumpkin one that I did a few years back. I tell you, I love designing these doll clothes, and I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying the patterns. So yeah, that's really good. Let's see, I did receive some cards. Kelly, if you're watching, I know we've been emailing each other back and forth. I have not gone to the post office to pick your card up, but I will go by there today. Yesterday, it was just really packed day, and I just could not fit stopping by there. Plus, it was pouring down rain. I mean, really just pouring down rain. But I want to tell you guys, I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sympathy cards. I guess you guys know that sadly, my dad passed away on the 30th, January the 30th. He had battled stage 4 colon cancer for the past 4.5 years. And anyway, I just want to say thank you guys that have sent me these sympathy cards. I truly appreciate it, and I really like what you guys wrote on the inside for me. I want to say thank you guys for those cards. I really appreciate them. Okay, moving forward. What else does Pamela have? All right, guys, let's go ahead and listen to our Be Still and Know devotion. Growing in love. As we live in God, our love grows more perfect. So we will not be afraid on the day of judgment, but we can face Him with confidence because we live like Jesus here in this world. 1 John 4:17. Love is hard. It means sacrificing our own priorities for those of another. It goes against our natural flesh instincts in and of ourselves. Love is not our natural reaction or response to the people around us. We have to grow in love, and we can only learn this properly from the God who is inherently love. Without God, we are incapable of truly loving. We can try our hardest to be people who love one another, but sooner or later we will fail at it if we don't have God's heart in us. Lord God, I want to represent your heart to the world. I know that I am not yet perfect in love. I need you to love others through me. I need to see others through your eyes so I can love them flawlessly as you do. Remove my heart of stone and give me a heart of flesh that beats with your love for this world and everyone in it. Hey, wasn't that good? I love it. I love reading those to you guys. Yeah, so I hope everyone has had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I had a really good time. It was a very wonderful evening. Went out and ate and just had a really good time. So anyway, I hope you guys all had a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I tell you what, I will try to put a video out Thursday or Friday, and mainly to update on this. I am starting another project. I don't have it in here with me, but I will keep you updated on that project. And yeah. That's about all that I have for today for WIP Caddy Wednesday. Anyway, guys, just remember to live life, to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.